everyone. I'm Manu Sharma. Now today we will start exercise 12.1 areas related to circle. So areas related to circle exercise 12.1 NCERT class 10. So in question number 1, the question is the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. So it is exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1. The question is, this is for solution number 1. The question is the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. Radii means plural of radius. Radius is a singular and radii is a plural. There are two radius. So this is a circle having radius, this is 19 centimeter, and next circle is 9 centimeter. This circle is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. Respectively, find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equals to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Okay, now we need to calculate the radius of that circle. We need to calculate the area of that circle whose circumference is equals to, now area of this, radius of this circle will be r. Let the radius of this circle is be r. So this radii is r1 and this radii is r2. Now we have to calculate the radius of these circles whose circumference is equals to the sum of circumference of two circles. If you add these two circles, if you add the circumference of these two circles, you will get the circumference of this circle. If you add the circumference of these circles, you will get the circumference of this circle. So what will be the radius of these circles? So let the radius of resulting circle be r. So radius of resulting circle, this is final circle. So radius of resulting circle be r. Now radii of two circles are r1 equals to 19 centimeter, r2 equals to 9 centimeter. So these are the given radii. यो दुईटा चाहिँ दिएको छ र हामीले चाहिँ यसको रेडियस निकाल्नु पर्ने छ. So what will be the radius of this circumference? So this circle, the circumference of these circles is equals to sum of the circumference of two circles. So it is given that since circumference of resulting circle is equals to sum of circumference of two circles. So this equals to circumference of resulting circle is 2 pi r, because the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Now sum of circumference of two circles. The circumference of this circle will be 2 pi r1 plus circumference of this circle is 2 pi r2. So 2 pi r equals to, we can take 2 pi common. So 2 pi is common. Here r1 plus r2 is left inside the bracket. So 2 pi into r1 is 2 pi r1. 2 pi into r2 is 2 pi r2. We can cut 2 pi from left hand side and right hand side. So r equals to, now put the values. So 19 centimeter plus 9 centimeter, it will be 28 centimeter. Therefore, the radius of resulting circle is 28 centimeter. Now this is the answer for question number 1. Now next question number 2. So question number 2 is, this is for question number 1. Okay, question number 2. So question number 2 is, the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. The radii of two circles. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So radius of this circle is 8 centimeter and radius of this circle is 6 centimeter. Now this is R1 and this is R2. Now find the radius of that circle. Find the radius of that circle whose area is equals to the sum of area of these two circles. If you add the area of these two circles, you will get the area of resulting circle. So these circles, we have to calculate the area, radius of this circle. So radius of this circle is PR. So area of these circles is equals to sum of area of these two circles. Then what will be the radius of this circle? So let the radius, question number 2, let the radius of resulting circle be r centimeter. So radii of circles are r1 is 8 centimeter and r2 equals to 6 centimeter. So we know that the sum of areas of two circles is equals to the area of resulting circle. It is a given. According to question, the sum of areas of two circles is equals to the area of resulting circle. So since we can write, since area of resulting circle is equals to sum of areas of two circles. Okay, now first you have to write down the formula of these circles. So area of circle is pi r square equals to, now sum of areas of two circles. For this area is pi r1 square. For this area is pi r2 square. So now add this area, pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Pi r square equals to, so pi is constant, so r1 square plus r2 square. We can take pi as common, so we can cut also from left hand side and right hand side. So r square equals to r1 square plus r2 square. R square, R1 is 8 square plus next is 6 square. So R square equals to 64 plus 36. So R square equals to 100. R equals to root under 100. r equals to root under 10 into 10 centimeter. So r equals to 10 centimeter. So radius of this circle is 10 centimeter. Therefore radius of resulting circle is 10 centimeter. Okay, this was for today. From next class I'll solve question number 3, 4 and 5 of this exercise. Thank you.